Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited. I'm going to be recreating the Vogue Beauty Secret videos. I love watching them. They are one of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube. So I'm excited to show you guys my beauty secrets. So let's get into it. So starting out, I curled my hair yesterday and I slept in it and the curls stayed, which I love, and so I kind of have these nice like beachy loose waves for day 2 hair. I also recently just started doing this. I use Tan Luxe The Face to tan my face and I just sleep in it. I mix it with my moisturizer at night and you wake up and you look so bronzed and gorgeous and I love it. Obviously for these colder winter months, I actually never tan my face in the summer anyways because, you know, trying to keep the skin looking youthful. So I'm definitely excited to bring these into summer too so that my face can match the rest of my body. And I use their body ones too and I love it. And they also have their, it's called the Gradual and it's a lotion. So in between when you self tan so it doesn't fade and look as streaky. So yeah, I did that last night. Woke up looking like this. Let's get into the skincare. I'm just gonna pull my hair back using this beautiful pink sparkly hair clip. This is from MEJ, and I'm just gonna twist my hair back. And there we go. Okay, so let's get into skincare. So for cleanser in the morning, I love the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser by Youthful People. So let's go wash my face. So next is eye cream, and this just came out a couple days ago, so this has been new into my routine. It is the Summer Fridays Light Aura Vitamin C and Peptide Eye Cream from Summer Fridays. I love their brand. Their lip butter is amazing. I've tried their moisturizer is really good, and now I'm trying this, and I've been really loving it so far. Next, I'm gonna use the Inculus Hyaluronic Acid to bring some moisture back into my face. Next, I've been absolutely loving this vitamin C serum. It is from Glow Recipe. It is the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. I struggled with acne a lot. I'm just taking 2 pumps, by the way, in high school, and I had a lot of dark spots when it finally cleared up. So this has really helped to brighten my skin and I have really noticed a difference and I love the way it smells also. And then I'm using this Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. And last step is most important, don't forget about it, it is sunscreen. I'm using the Supergoop Glow Screen with SPF 40. This stuff, when I'm not wearing makeup, this as my last skincare step actually makes my face look flawless. And it gives you that really nice, subtle glow. And it also looks really nice under makeup. This combined with like self-tanning my face, looks really good for no makeup days. And Hailey Bieber taught me to make sure I don't hit the eyes, because those can get wrinkles too. Makeup time. Okay, so let's get into makeup. So starting out, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Falls filter, and I just got the new Charlotte Tilbury foundation, the Beautiful Skin Foundation, and combining the false filter and this gives you the most beautiful glow. Let's do it. If under your eyes tend to crease, I kind of try to avoid my under eyes to put too much product, and I just save it for concealer, because if you put too much product then it's gonna cake up and it's gonna crease more easily. So I try to avoid that area as much as I can. I also like to spray my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray after I do my foundation to really lock it in. Another brand that I've been loving this year is Rare Beauty, and they also just came out with these bronzer sticks, and they literally glide on like butter. This brush is seriously the best thing to ever happen for contour. It makes it so easy. From Patrick Ta, it hugs your face to contour and it blends it out so perfectly. So for blush, I'm actually gonna do a combination. I just got this Makeup by Mario one and then the iconic Charlotte Tilbury one. So I'm going to just layer the two of these. So I'm gonna take the Makeup by Mario one, and this is in the shade Dusty Rose. And I'm gonna place it like that. I kind of go heavy on blush. I just really love it. Obviously, as I'm putting on two blushes. So I'm just gonna pat it in. Don't rub, but just pat. And we are getting some really pretty rosy cheeks. Next, I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I'm just gonna put a little bit right here and here. So I'm gonna take a beauty blender and I'm gonna squeeze it and then just blend it out. I'm going to set my under eye first because, like I said, that tends to crease, so I want to set it before any creasing starts. I've been loving using a powder puff, and this one is from Beauty Blender, and I use the Rare Beauty Nude Powder. This is in the shade Light, and this one's really nice because it has like a pink tone to it, so that actually helps to brighten. I am going to do bronzer next. I like to use this Dior powder, and I take this big fluffy brush. These are the Ariel brushes with Morphe, which are also such good brushes and such good quality. And I'm just gonna tap this over the blush and contour we've done. And just so we don't lose any more of the blush, I'm going to go in with Makeup by Mario blush. This is in the shade Mellow Mauve, and a blush brush from the Ariel collection. And a little bit of highlight, I'm gonna use this Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of the combination of these two and just add a bit of sparkle. And then just to add a little bit for the eyes, I'm gonna take the Makeup by Mario, the Master Mattes. This is such a good everyday palette. It just has really nice neutrals, and I think this is a really good starter palette too. If you don't know where to go for eyeshadows, this is a really beautiful start. Available at Sephora. I'm just gonna take this big fluffy brush, also the Ariel brushes. I'm gonna take this shade right here, just get a bunch of product on there, and just put that in the crease. I'm just gonna add a little more dimension. I'm gonna take a darker color, and I'm gonna take this dark brown right here with that same brush and kind of focus it more on the outer corner. And then I'm going to take a flat shader brush and just take this neutral cream color here, get a lot of color on there, and then just put it on the center of my eyelid. Just pack it in. And then I'm also gonna take this kind of combination of these two and then put it on the brow bone. And then I want a little bit of sparkle, so I'm actually gonna take that same palette from Dior and take this really tiny brush, and I'm gonna take the shade right here, and I'm just gonna put it in the inner corner. I love doing this. It just really opens up your eye, curl the lashes. And I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty mascara. And lastly, a little bit of lip. I love this little Chanel lipstick. Spray the face one more time, and makeup is done. Take the hair out, and I'm all ready for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.